So guys, another type of problem that we'll see with markups as well as tax and tip, right, is they're just asking us for the amount, right? So we're not finding any kind of new price or total cost. We're just finding the amount, which means we're just finding percent of a number. So here, a store pays $801 for a silver coat rack and marks the price up, right, by 25%. Right, so the new price would be 801 plus 25% of 801. Right? But in this problem, all we need to do is find 25% of 801 because this is the markup amount. So what do we need to do to find percent of a number? First, change percent to a decimal by moving the decimal 2 jumps to the left. So we get 0.25. Then we take that decimal form and we multiply, right, by the price paid, in this case $801. Right? And then we just multiply 0.25 times 801 and we get $200.25. This is our markup amount.